Hi guys, I'm Amazing Arjun. So today my dog Jitu I was playing to stole my ball when I was playing tennis and I had to chase her. So enjoy. So I'm trying to get the ball, but Jitu is hiding into the bush so that I don't get it. But it's not gonna work today. You could see that this little rascal Jitu is hiding in the bush so that I don't get the ball.
Okay.
But not today.
Sure. You just have to ask her to drop it. Chitu, can you drop it? Chitu, drop the ball. Chitu, advance. Look at him, he's